Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome and thank you for dropping by. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back, checking us out yet again. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, I'm going to start off with a reminder about this week's giveaway. This is the last video of the week to win the weekly prize for our first in 4 December to Remember giveaways. Now, make sure that you follow the guidelines. It's not a lot. It's not a lot at all. All I ask that you do is make sure that you are a subscriber to this channel. You follow me on Instagram. You like the videos and you leave a comment below. Now, in every video, I have offered you a chance to actually leave a comment. I've asked you questions for feedback purposes so that I can get to know more about you, my viewers, as well as what you would like to see on this channel. Now, make sure that you have kept the product of the day information ready. Even if you didn't put it down after each video, make sure when I post a video tomorrow announcing that this is the close of the video and you go and you post your information, make sure you list the product and or products of the day. Now, there's one day that there was an issue. However, I did leave a comment in the description box. So make sure that you do this. I want to make sure that you get a chance to get your beat on for the holidays or whenever, you know. Now, during that video, where I let you know that it's time to put your information there, I will remind you again what the prizes for that particular week's giveaway are. Okay, now we're going to jump into the reason for this video on today. Now, as you know, I am a lover of the Allure Beauty Box, an extremely affordable beauty box with fantastic, did I say fantastic? Fantastic products for its subscribers, as well as they always make sure to provide us with coupon codes so that we can purchase the items that are featured for that month. Okay, now I'm letting you know about the December Allure Beauty Box. I'm telling you about it now. I don't have the box to do my unboxing as of right now. However, this thing is so worth it. I wanted to make sure I gave you time so that you can try out the Allure Beauty Box for yourself. Now, I have a link below. I want to encourage you to use that link because if you do, your first box is only $10. And you also get a fantastic, did I say fantastic, welcome gift. Now, and because it's the end of the year, Allure has added some absolutely amazing and worthwhile gifts. Okay, now it says it's a limited holiday offer that they are making available. Now, I need to get you in on this. I would be remiss if I did not let my subbies know about what is available for you. Now, what Allure has done is they've made available a limited time holiday offer. Okay, so let's talk. If you decide to subscribe to the Allure Beauty Box, well, right now they have a limited time holiday offer going on. And what does that mean for you? If you choose a month to month, where using the link in the description box below, the first one is $10. You will get a free mask and glow kit, and I'm going to leave a picture of that up here or here. I think it's here. Okay, that is if you do a month to month. If you decide that you want to do a 3-month subscription, which is what I do, you will get what they're calling the self-care starter kit. Now, let me jump back to the other one. The mask and glow kit, which is what you get for the month to month, that one has a $75 value. Now, with the self-care starter kit, that one has one of my favorite products in there. Y'all know I talked about this quite often, but the picture is above, and that one is also $75 value. However, you also get the mask and glow kit. Okay, so now you're up to $150 value. Okay, that's with the 3-month subscription. Now, if you decide to do the yearly subscription, you will get an additional holiday mega bundle. Okay, that one plus the self-care starter kit and the mask and glow kit. I'm going to put a picture of that one up here as well. So that makes your holiday offer for your subscribing to the Allure Beauty Box a $309 value. And we haven't even talked about the box yet. I'm telling you this because now is the best time to go in and try it out for yourself. Okay, now that will give you a grand total of 28 products in addition to the December box. Now let's talk about the December box. Okay, now the December box is so jam-packed full of wonderful products, but quite a few of them are full-size products. The first one, and I promise I will put a picture of everything up here, and I'm just going to tell you what it would be. The very first item is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is a full size, and the shades on it will vary, but you will be getting one. Now, that is also an item that is in the bonus gifts as well. However, it's a different color or different shade. You will also get the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, another full-size product. Look at the value. Then you will get a mini Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Then you will get a travel size Awai texturizing hairspray, which is one of the items that's in previous giveaway. I showed it to you at the December to Remember video. Then you will get a full-size First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer, full size. Okay, and just because you've decided to become a subscriber in the month of December, you will be getting a Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara, full size. That's this one right here, which is one of the items in a giveaway here on this channel. If you remember, I showed it to you in the December to Remember video at the beginning of the month. Then you will also get the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, and that is a pair of them. Okay, so trust me, if you've been on the fence about subscribing to the Allure Beauty Box, trust me, this is the perfect time to take advantage of all of these wonderful products, as well as the holiday offers. I'm telling you, you will be walking away with almost $500 worth of products. Okay, now y'all know I look out for you. Definitely am looking out for you. I would like to say thank you so much for spending time with me on today. I really do appreciate it. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Now, until next time.